Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can create a Deezer account. Deezer is a world of music in your pocket, listen anytime, anywhere. Deezer is a free music companion where it allows users to listen to music content from record labels including Universal Music Group, Sony Music and Warner Music Group, as well as podcast on various devices online or offline. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and search in for a Deezer.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Deezer. Here you can see sign up free. You click on it. Ready to sign up. Here you also can register your Deezer account with Facebook or your Google account in just few steps. All the required details to register account on Deezer are fetched from these accounts. But I'll be using my email address, so you need to go in for providing your email address. Then you go in for providing a username. Then you go in for providing a secure password. Now then you go in for providing your age. Then you need to provide your identity. For that you click on drop down menu. Then you go in for choosing your gender. Here after you provide all the details you click on sign up. And with that you have created a Deezer account for yourself. Now you can go in for listening any of the music that you want. This is how you can create an account on Deezer. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create a Deezer account for yourself. Thank you.